might want to keep some of your messages concealed from view if you use Telegram frequently without permanently deleting them. If you're concerned that someone might peek at your screen while using Telegram and possibly view messages that they should not, you can do that relatively easily. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide chat on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Long tap on the chat box you want to hide. Tap on three vertical lines at the top right corner. Tap on Archive. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to hide chats on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.